Most musicians live two creative lives. There's the one we talk about, and then there's the secret one. Live the one where you actually hear your own finished song coming out of the speakers. Real, complete, existing. The tragedy isn't a lack of talent, the tragedy is that preparation has become a way to avoid vulnerability. Over 25 years, I have seen thousands of what I call silent creatives. They have beautiful MIDI keyboards, the latest plugins, every masterclass ever filmed, but their finished projects folder? Empty. Here's the thing, buying gear feels like progress, and sometimes it is, but sometimes it's just a very sophisticated way to delay the scary part. It's easier to say, I can't finish this because I don't have the right preamp, than it is to say, I'm terrified this song won't be as good as the one in my head. The only thing standing in your way isn't a piece of equipment, it's the friction of the first step. So let me show you the pattern behind almost every unfinished song. I call it the rule of 5. Every finished song only needs 5 things: a lyric, a melody, a rhythm, a performance, and a mix. That's it, 5 elements. And here's what I have learned. Most unfinished songs are just missing 1 or 2 of these. They're stuck on the last bits. The lyrics written, the melody's there, the chords work, but the vocal isn't ready or the mix isn't finished. And instead of finishing, they start another project. 20 unfinished songs, and instead of finishing them, we convince ourselves we need more gear, more knowledge, more time. That's not a technical problem. That's a friction problem, and friction problems need system solutions, not equipment solutions. Let me share a secret with you. In 25 years running a professional studio, I recorded thousands of artists. And here's the truth, my gear wasn't magical, my plugins weren't special, but every artist left with a finished mix. Because they weren't paying me to experiment for them, they were paying me to remove friction. And at the end they had a mix they could play others and upload for the world to hear. So I got very good at reducing friction, and I created a system. A system that removes the 80% of friction so this 20% of soul can actually breathe. Here's what I want you to understand. Progress doesn't come from a 12-hour session once a month. It comes from what I call honest daily action. It's the 15 minutes where you don't check YouTube, you don't read a manual, you don't tweak a snare drum. You just move the needle. Ask yourself what needs to be done for this track to be finished. Then do that thing. A quiet rebel doesn't wait for the perfect studio. We use the 80-20 rule to make the most of the studio we have right now, because an imperfect finished song is infinitely more powerful than a perfect one that doesn't exist. If you've realized that you've been preparing for years and you're ready to start finishing, then it's time to cross that finish line. I created the PARETO Producer Beta for people who are ready to move from preparing to finishing. People who want to be proud of what they have created, not ashamed of everything they still need to do. We're not going to talk about gear, we're going to talk about completing songs. We are going to take that rule of 5 and turn it into a finished track, and then another and another. No hype, no countdown timers, just a room of people who are done being quiet. If you're ready, the link is below. If the spots are gone, grab the studio reset and join the waitlist. Tomorrow is for the people who wait. Today is for the rebels. The secret creative life you've been protecting, it's time to make it real.